What's up guys, Ryan here. Today we're gonna be doing a fuel filter replacement on my brother's Mustang. I heard you need to do like every 30,000 miles, but I'm not sure. You need to replace it, but the first thing is disconnect the fuel pump relay, which is number 21. It's right here, so it's this one right here next to the little bolt. You just take it out. Kind of hard to do it one-handed, but once you take it out, make sure you don't lose it. So put it somewhere safe, a little box or something. Give it to my little brother. Take care of that. After you're done that, make sure you turn on the car about 5 times. Make sure it doesn't turn on, or if it does, just make sure it dies off. Then turn it again. Make sure it doesn't turn off about like 3 to 4 times. Alright guys, that should be good. About 3 times should be good. Just take the key out, make sure that happens. That means the fuel line relays should be disconnected, so that's good. After that, take the negative battery out, or just take it out, because you're gonna be messing with a fuel and you don't want something to spark up and burn the whole car. So make sure you just take the negative battery out. After you've disconnected the negative, you want to come to the driver's side door. You're going to come to the driver's side door, and under it, the fuel filter is going to be. Alright, so the fuel filter is right there. I don't know if you can see it, but you have to take out all these little bolts right here, and the thing should just pop this one at the end. You pop these out. Make sure you just pop out. There's one right there, another one. Just take out all these bolts that connect to the fuel filter. Those are the lines right there. This is the door right here, so yeah, just take those out, and it should expose the fuel filter. Alright guys, the tools you might need is just your simple tools to take out the bolts, but you should really get a couple of drags and a bucket, because the fuel filter is gonna leak some gas. Alright guys, after you've taken out every bolt, so you just put it to the side. There's gonna be another bolt holding on to the fuel filter, so it's a 10mm. All of them are 10mm, so it should all come out pretty easy. You just take that out, and there's 2 clips. That clip right there, and the other clip, just press them and take them both out. But that's where it's gonna drop fuel right there. So just get a bucket like that ready, or a smaller one for the fuel that's gonna drop. Alright guys, so I just took the bolt out, and this just comes right off. Oh shit. So this, just slide it in. So the only way you can slide, when you take these little clips out, there's 2. Just press on the clips and you pull it back. But you have to put like right here a bucket or something, so the fuel won't drop. There's 2 clips on each side. This black one right here and this green one right here. Once you take them all out, you just push it this way, or pull it this way, and it should come out. And you put it on the same way, which is this way. She's a squirter, guys. So that fuel filter, is not coming from these. It's coming from the fuel filter, the one that stores it. There you guys go. To do that side, you go to this side and just take it out by pulling this side, by pulling it towards the engine, and bring me the fuel filter. Alright guys, so this is the new fuel filter. So this arrow has to be pointing towards the engine, so it's gonna go like this, and you're going to push it like that towards the back of the car. It's gonna go like this, and you should push it back in. Meanwhile, We'll be taking the front one off, and I'll get back to y'all when I'm putting the new one. She's a squirter. Alright guys, so what I ended up just doing is just sliding this off so all the gas could just go in the bucket. It'll probably be way easier as well. We just go like that, easy money. But press down. Wait, hold on, put the thing. There's the thing on that. That 93 octane. Alright guys, you just took it out. It's right there. Alright, so guys, the new one. You see? So the arrow is right here. So the new one's gonna go like this, with the arrow facing towards the engine of the car. What you might want to do is plug this one in first, then slide it back in through the hole. That's what she said. Then connect this one to the last one. You should hear a little clip once it's fully connected. So alright guys, so just a clip, easy money. So you just alright, once it's clipped, you just pull it back and you slide it back in. There you go, it slides back in with the arrow. Make sure the arrow, this little arrow right here, is facing towards the engine. Once you just, this back one, pull as much as you can so it can clip. Clip, that's done. Just put this bolt, the bolt back on, everything back on, that should be done. Get back to that when everything's finished. Alright guys, so everything's been put back together except for here. We just remember to put your clip back that you took at the beginning of the video and put your negative battery back. Make sure you put the clip right. Remember it had the 7018 on the bottom. So just like so. That's for your negative battery. Alright, negative battery, just tighten up, and after that you're basically done. For that, you just turn on your car, make sure it's not leaking any fuel where you replace the fuel filter. That should be done. I'll turn it on in a bit. Alright guys, we just put everything back together. Make sure you crank it up, make sure it turns on and no fuel is leaking. It might crackle again because fuel is going all around again. I feel like the fuel got way better. So close it. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and peace.